What's your step? लगा हुआ है? On the bench. The back side. In the center. Right there. 1 foot up. So now, the Taj Mahal height is 243 feet, about 81 meter. Yes. And I have a question for you, sir. The idea in that time, how did they use fountain? Without any electricity? With the force of gravity.
Oh.
Tank somewhere, the water from higher will come by pressure and then. And sometime pumping by manually. But now with electricity. Clever man. And he was the emperor, more than king. He do whatever he want to do. Haji, Raulas Mahal, they make 53 water well everywhere on the ground, and then they put special wooden foundation over the water well.
Before they start.
Yes, the construction first they made 53 water well, then they put wooden foundation over the water well, and then they built Taj Mahal. So with the fall of water, wooden become more stronger, and they use same wood which people used to make boat. Don't get damaged with the water.
No, that's it.
Okay.
Can we see the fountains?
See the minarets? 4 minarets. So all these minarets, it's not look straight.
No.
It will fall from outside like this.
Yeah.
You know why? 2 reasons. First, if earthquake come in Taj Mahal, so these all minarets fall down outside, don't fall on the Taj. And second reason, if they build all these minarets exactly straight, then you can see only 2.
Okay.
Cannot see the behind us.
No.
So architect was genius.
Genius, yeah, that's right.
And now you can see the pinnacle top of the dome.
yeah?
So I'm talking about this pinnacle. This pinnacle was gold when King Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal.
What do English people take?
Yes. Now golden pinnacle is in Tower of London, and this is the brass. And Shah Jahan also built 2 identical buildings
Okay, let's see.
for both sides of the Taj Mahal. So first you can see from that side, east side, this he built royal guest house for his royal guests. But British time, British royal honeymoon couple had stayed here. And he also built same identical building from the west side. He make mosque for his personal use. But now mosque it's used by local people from Agra. But not every day, only on Friday, Jummah. So Taj is closed for every Friday for visitors, but mosque is open only for local male Muslim peoples. Because in India we do not have any mosque for females. And one more thing, you know better, we have all mosque in India facing west, the face of Makkah. So that's why Shah Jahan built mosque from the west direction. So we have all mosque in US facing east. But every country has a different direction of Makkah. Yes, but lots of people doesn't know about the mosque. They're asking sometime, why don't he build mosque from the west side, east side? Then I told you. Because of facing of Makkah. For the different time of light. When you come
they
to
change
see,
color.
Yes, when you come to see sunrise, it shines pink from the east side. Right now, it shines milky white. Sunset time, it shines golden. Why? Because this marble has a crystal. So marble came from Makrana, from Rajasthan.
From
Rajasthan
Rajasthan?
is that different state.
Okay,
Only 375 kilometers far from here.
okay,
So I've told you he also used 1,000 elephant with 20,000 workers. So elephant brings stones.
okay,
25,000 tons marble they used to build Taj Mahal.
okay. What,
So this- This marble has a crystal. So by the crystal, this marble change color. And this marble also non-porous. You get marble from everywhere in the world. You get porous marble, which observe everything. Water, sunlight, everything. But this marble doesn't observe anything. Even water, sunlight, nothing.
Nothing damaged.
So that's why this marble is best marble in the world. And this marble also the hardest marble in the world. So they replace, building is almost 370 years old. So they replace sandstone many times. Because thousands of people walk every day and sandstone is not the hardest. Observe water, sunlight, anything. When you come in summer, stone get hot. But marble you can touch, doesn't matter how heat. how high temperature. Marble always cold because don't get so hot because non-porous doesn't absorb.
What the
This were water palace?
Yes,
What do you mean water palace?
the water things are there for fountains
Ah, okay.
for both sides. Western Pavilion is rented. They are built between 31 to 40 along with the rest of the complex. They form two integral parts of the design and the architecture of the Taj. Since they stand the two ends of the east-west water canal which leads to the central lotus pond.
Okay.
That's why the Taj. Yes. Don't move your Yes, perfect. And don't move your face. Smile. Kilometer दूर है.
Panchula. अच्छा
Agra
वो
Fort is 5 kilometers far from here, from the west, and the place where King Shah Jahan used to live.
Okay. So is it nice to see?
All places are nice.
Okay.
Yes, good.
You know, a lot of things to see or just?
Yes, if you want to see the best fort in India, which is built by Mughals,
Uh-huh.
so going to Lahore.
Lahore. Oh.
Lahore Fort is the best fort which is built by Mughals. Because Lahore that time, yes, that time Lahore was the part of India, and King Shah Jahan also born in Lahore,
Ah, okay.
1590, and he died 1656 when he was 76. Yes, because he wanted to build one more Taj Mahal for himself with the black marble, because he was the person who choose a place where he wants to bury. But his son wants to become a king. But the reason is this: he was the youngest, and Shah Jahan wants to give a kingdom for his oldest, Dara Shikoh. So he killed all his 7 oldest, and he was in prison. His father from Agra Fort as a house arrest in 1658 after 5 years to build the Taj Mahal. So 8 years he was in prison. When he died, then his oldest daughter Jahanara buried her father here.
Okay.
After Mumtaz died,
The bad thing.
yes, bad thing.
Oh.
After Mumtaz died, Shah Jahan got married with his oldest daughter Jahanara. He got married with his daughter
Okay.
because she looks like exactly the Mumtaz. But there's a bad thing.
Okay. But he blinded his first son, and then he.
What's wrong with you? Güzel gibi duruyor ya da.
So now we'll walk to the right and then we'll walk from there this way. Because this is the way for upstairs. Can go. So and after this you want to go to see Agra Fort.
Yeah.
And one more thing, Agra Fort, when you're going to buy ticket for Agra Fort, so show his ticket for Taj Mahal. You get 50 rupees. All shopkeepers selling fake things.
Yeah.
The river,
Okay.
which is called Yamuna River, Hindu holy river, came from Delhi and it goes to Varanasi,
Okay.
the place where he meet with other two rivers, merge with other two rivers, merge. That place we call Prayagraj, Sangam.
Okay.
And there you can see the view for Agra Fort. So King Shah Jahan always came to see Taj Mahal by boat and used water gate to come in. He never come by those roads.
No.
Shah Jahan wanted to build Black Taj Mahal, I've told you. So this is the place where he wanted to build Black Taj Mahal.
Okay.
Now this place is nice to see sunset.
Sunset, okay.
And if people come to see Taj Mahal on Friday, so people not allowed to come inside, then people go there to look the Taj Mahal and take pictures from there.
From that side.
Yes.
Okay.
Uneducated people don't know.
How are you?
We are good. Doing good.
You have a wonderful clothes.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Tada.
The traditional
Bye-bye,
dress for
bye-bye.
South India. Where
Huh?
from?
South.
Kerala.
Kerala.
Same thing I'm telling you.
Kerala.
It's a traditional dress.
Skylands.
Kerala is the land of nature.
Yeah, I've been in Kerala.
केवल जो लोकल यहाँ के आगरा के जो लोग हैं ना रहते हैं यहाँ पे, वो अगर चाहें तो नमाज पढ़ने आ सकते हैं, वहाँ आते हैं बहुत लोग। बट जो वो केवल यहीं पे आ सकते हैं इसी साइड से, और कहीं जगह नहीं वॉक करने। इधर से कॉर्नर से वो बैरिकेड लगा सिक्योरिटी, उसमें केवल मॉस्क और नमाज पढ़ के तुरंत वापस को। ऐसे नहीं पिक्चर वगैरह खींचना हो बाहर, बोला खाए नमाज पढ़ नहीं, वैसे नहीं आता। अभी 50 रुपये टिकट जो जुम्मे का दिन होता है ना, दोपहर की नमाज वो स्पेशल होती है। फ्राइडे इज स्पेशल डे फॉर।
And go out here? Go out here or?
Look at that. Here to start to build Taj Mahal. So 1 year she was direct from the garden. After 1 year, when he started to build Taj Mahal, then here first. इधर से अंदर का। चौक गया क्या?